Presenting Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming Tree Laptop. It features Windows 10 Home operating system and weighs 2.2 kilograms. This laptop comes in two style variants, as laptop with the 60Hz display and laptop with the 120Hz display. The laptop is powered by 4th generation AMD Ryzen 5 4600H processor with 3.0 GHz base speed, 4.0 GHz maximum speed, 3 MB L2 and 8 MB L3 cache and 6 cores. The 8 GB DDR4 3200 RAM and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 4 GB GDDR6 graphics card ensures a smooth performance. The 512GB SSD makes sure that you can store all your movies, picture and music. This Lenovo laptop has 45 Wh lithium polymer battery with up to 6 hours battery life. The 15.6-inch Full HD display with 1920x1080 pixels resolution, IPS technology, 250 nits brightness, anti-glare and 120Hz refresh rate gives a true-to-life experience. The two 1.5-watt stereo speakers with HD and Dolby Audio provides an immersive experience. The laptop comes with two USB 3.2 Generation 1 ports, one USB 3.2 Type-C Generation 1 port, headphone and mic combo jack, one HDMI 2.0 port, one Ethernet RJ45 port, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy connectivity. Inside the box, you will find the laptop power adapter and user manual.